goodness, I'm so excited to talk to these two ladies because we're talking some good stuff. Weight loss success stories. It's really hard to lose weight. It's like one of the hardest things to do. But here to join us and talk to us about body transformation and all that, from MiraVita, DeRosa Medical,
yes.
We have got Patrice O'Sheltry, and then we've got the patient, Angie Hicks. It's nice to have you both here. This will be a lot of fun. So before we even get to your, body transformation and what you have coming up, Angie, I want to talk to you a little bit, Patrice. Tell us a little bit about the work that you do in helping these individuals really get to that goal and losing that weight.
So really, we are transformation specialists at MiraVita, DeRosa Medical, and we are just there for accountability. We're there to help the patients through their trials and tribulations, just coaching, mentoring, helping them be accountable, really. Yeah.
It is like a difficult thing when you finally decide, because it's only your own personal journey, and that's the hardest thing, because people always say, oh, you should lose weight. But if you don't feel it within yourself, you're never going to do it. So when they get to that point, that's a big step. So what's the first thing you do to sort of congratulate them and then get them to the next step of actually getting to where they want to be?
Well, really just getting to know them, getting to know their goals, if they have anything coming up in the future, just really the reasoning behind it all, and just helping them move forward with that goal.
Now, they say you take a holistic approach to it. What does that mean when you say holistic?
Well, it just means getting to the root cause of the problem.
Okay.
Dr. DeRosa has come up with many different great programs, and it's really just finding the right fit for that patient.
Nice. All right, so Angie, I want to talk to you about MiraVita. Why was it MiraVita that you chose, and what has it actually done for you from the inside out? Because I'm sure you feel completely different.
I'm an entirely different person today. I actually went there. I've been a patient of Dr. DeRosa's for years and love the office. The staff is amazing. And I hit 44 and said, okay, I'm done. I'm done being fat, and cried on my first visit. And it's been a game changer for me.
And we have these pictures right here. And is this some of your friends or family? Or
yeah, my friends.
Nice.
Party at my house.
So were your friends very supportive of you? Because sometimes once you get to that point and you actually go through it, you really get to see who your true friends are. So are they still by your side?
They're still by my side. They're still by my side. We do hiking on the weekends.
Nice.
We do have a weight loss. We've created our own mentoring group on Facebook just with our friends to keep us upbeat and moving and positive.
And so because people are watching this and you're a living testimony of it, what was it really like for you mentally? Was it like super high days, or was it high days and low days? How did you handle that?
I had high days and low days. It was the hardest part is the muscle memory of, okay, I'm hungry, I don't want to really cook dinner. Oh, let's go to McDonald's and grab a burger. Well, no, we can't do that tonight. So what are we going to do in lieu of that? Preparing ahead of time so that when I got home from work, I didn't have to worry about necessarily cooking dinner. We do a lot of pre-cooking, pre-planning on Sundays, a lot of barbecuing, so that we have a week's worth of chicken or steak or a couple of days worth of those. So we're prepared for those nights that we don't want to cook.
I love that. Let's talk back with you, Patrice. What is the consultation like? Because when someone comes in, everybody's such a different individual to get to that metamorphosis part. So what is the consultation like?
So we do a free consultation. It's about an hour, and it's really just sitting down and getting to know the person and the reasoning behind it all, because that's really what's going to help propel them into losing the weight in the future.
I'm sure it's probably a pretty emotional roller coaster. Like you were saying, you cried when you made the decision.
I did.
Yeah.
Well, tell us about the good news, because you have some good news coming up. All this hard work you put in, so you're going to celebrate. So share that with us.
So we're getting married in November, the day after Thanksgiving at Rock Springs Cafe.
Nice.
I get to wear a beautiful dress. Dress shopping was amazing.
Look at you in this gown. How pretty. Ooh, look at that one.
That was my favorite, but it's a little more formal for our event. But
so your wedding is going to be at Rock Springs Cafe. So it's an outside wedding.
It is an outside wedding.
Nice. Yes. So is it like a rustic chic, or what are you going for?
A rustic chic look. We can go with that. It's very casual. My husband Guy will be wearing jeans. Pretty much I've told everybody wear what you're comfortable with.
Yeah. So did you ever think you would get to this point?
No.
No?
No. I've been, my parents are both heavy, and I've always struggled with my sugar cravings, the carbs. And so this has been a lot of retraining the brain. So my go-to is not that box of candy, or, it's the apple, or even beef jerky.
Right. Well, I appreciate the two of you being here. So if you want more information, if you think that you're finally getting to the point where you want to really do something, maybe MiraVita is the place to go. DeRosa Medical is fantastic here in the Valley, and they'll help you out for sure. And you can be like Angie and then have something to celebrate.